Hi, welcome back to my channel. Now, this is just a quick video showing you the craft room that I moved out of, and I've moved next door. So I will leave the link for the video of me moving out and what this room looks like before I moved out. And this is what I've done so far to this room. Okay, so I'll just give you a overall look through. Just close the door. That's behind the door. And that's the sofa bed that I made the video for, and I'll leave the link in the description below for that. Do you remember the IKEA, is it the Kallax, the five box unit that was on this wall? And I put it on Marketplace for free. I just wanted somebody to take it, so that went the same day I put it up. It went the evening, this was here already, so I thought I'd put it back for now because I'm not quite sure exactly what I want to do with it. And these curtains my daughter gave me, she was getting rid of them, practically brand new. And the tie backs that I've got, they were in my living room originally, so I've taken them down. I took them down because I'm redoing my living room as well, so I took those down and I spray painted them. I primed them and I spray painted them gold to go with the theme of this room, because it's really sort of like dark egg, teal, gold and white. That's the theme. So yeah, I've done that. And then the doorknobs on the wardrobe here, I took those off as well. I primed them with spray paint, and then I spray painted them gold. And as you know, that's my freezer. So I love to have my freezer because I like to cook food and stuff and then pack it away, because sometimes I just don't have the energy. I'm not in the mood or anything to cook. So it's better that I equip myself, because if I don't, sometimes I'll end up, you know, a day or two not eating properly. Yep. So the shelves now, remember the family again, the carpenter, he came and put my shelves up for me. And I've just put stuff on top of there just to get it off the floor, really. So I haven't really organized, but sort of like these are not going to be there because they're photo frames, and I've got some projects for those. And all these boxes and stuff, they'll be going. As I said, I've just put things up there off the floor so they're out of the way. And these are all my fridge magnets. I took them all off the fridge, and I'm gonna find, I want a project to do with those, put them somewhere else other than the fridge, because I find that they do damage your fridge, really. They look nice, but sometimes they look overly busy and don't look very tidy on the fridge, especially when there's a lot. So I really want to do a project with those. So I'll let you know. Yeah, so all these things are not staying up there. I mean, these most probably stay up here. I'll go through these another time, but yeah. So I filled all the holes. Because I had the shelves, remember, in here, and the slat walls I had along here. So when we took them down, we had a load of holes and everything in the walls. So I filled those, and then I left them to dry overnight, and then I came and sanded them all down and then painted. and just gave it a good paint. Yeah, just gave it a good paint. And I didn't want to do it because just thinking about having to paint one Saturday, put the radio on and my painting gear, and just got down to it. And by Saturday afternoon, it was finished. So I was happy, very happy that I did push myself to do it. If I'd got someone in, you know, it most probably would have cost me. So at least I've saved myself, because it's all about budgeting as well. Remember, sometimes you got to push yourself. Yeah, so I've left my computer in here, my desktop, because that's fine, and it can't hold in the craft room anyway. I don't want it in the craft room, because sometimes when the children come, they'll use the computer, and you know, family and friends and stuff, so that can stay in here. And this I had got from B&M, but it was sort of like a white wood, a white grey wood, and I took that outside, primed it, and spray painted that as well. And I've had these pumpkins from last year. Pumpkins, they've been in the kitchen from last year, and I didn't know, well, I wanted to spray paint them, but I thought they most probably start ripening up, and then they'll go off or whatever. But these, they just don't seem to want to budge. They're rock hard still, absolutely rock hard. So I thought, right, I'm going to take them out in the garden, prime them and give them a spray paint with the gold, and that's how they turned out. And I had this in a kitchen hanging around in the cupboard, this tray, and I thought I'll use it for this. So that's that. So this is the room, and as I said, I will link, I got this lampshade from Pound Stretcher as well. I think it was $3.99. It goes with the colours, so yeah. And yes, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And remember now, you can use what you've got on hand. If you want to make changes in the house and stuff, you can do it on a budget. All I did was bought the paint. I actually bought new carpet. Sorry, I forgot to say. I bought new carpet, and that was really reasonable. I'll put the link for the carpets down below, and I bought the rug from B&M as well. But apart from that, oh, and I bought the Mick desk, because I just wanted a small, neat one. So yeah. But everything was on a budget, you know, everything, nothing was overpriced or anything like that. It was really, it worked out really good. I think, let me have a look now. So let's see, 50, 260. Right, 260 to have for the carpet and for it to be laid. So it's carpet and underlay, and fitting cost me just under £200, and the rug was £60 in B&M. So let's round it off and say 260. And remember, I had the single sofa bed in the room next door, and I took it back because it really wasn't working for me. I took it back to IKEA, and they gave me the credit note, so I was happy with that, because I knew I wanted to get the double anyway. So I was happy with the credit note. So I only had to put a few more pounds on top of the credit notes for this one. And, you know, so everything worked out really well. But anyway, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell in order to receive notifications when I upload new videos. I'd like to thank you so much for my new subscribers and my returning ones. Thanks for all the love, and take care now. Bye-bye.